Today we're going to answer the question why a particular country is more competitive in a particular industry.
Actually, Michael Porter explained it in his National Competitive Advantage Theory. What do you know about this theory?
Oh, actually, I remember that there are 4 main determinants and 2 additional factors in his theory.
I know the main determinant is factor conditionals, maybe you know the other one.
And the second one is demand condition.
I remember the third factor is called related and supporting industries.
The 4th factor is firm strategy and rivalry.
There are also additional factors like chance and government.
The most important, and according to Porter's theory, are the factor conditions. According to standard economic theory, the factors of production are labor, land, natural resources, capital, and infrastructure. Factor conditions are those elements that, according to Porter, a country's economy can create for itself, such as a large pool of skilled labor, technological innovation, and capital. Porter argues that elements of factor condition are more important in determining a country's competitive advantage and naturally created factors such as land and natural resources. He also suggests that the main role of the government in the management of the national economy is to encourage and induce enterprises within the country to focus on creating and developing elements of factor conditions.
Demand condition. This says that there must be presence of sophisticated demand conditions from local customers if there is sophisticated demand conditions from the local customers that pushes the company to grow, to innovate, and to improve quality. And if a product sells well inside the country, it can be offered everywhere. And oppositely, a product that is not needed by anyone inside the country cannot be brought to the world market. And sophisticated and qualified consumers contribute to the emergence of the high-class national companies, which, by the efforts of their consumers, are brought among the world leaders.
The third factor, related and supporting industries, says the presence of related and supporting industries provides the foundation, that is, companies are often dependent on alliances and partnerships with other companies for creating an additional value for customers and become more competitive. For example, in Sweden, all areas of activity related to metalworking are developed. The production of high-quality steel, bearings, various tools, industrial and household equipment, and cars. Such giants of the Swedish metalworking industry as SKF, Sandvik, Scania, Volvo, Electrolux are known all over the world.
Firm strategy, structure, and rivalry, which says the firm's own strategy, helps in convincing expert, as there is no fixed rule regarding to adoption of a particular form of strategy. We know the strategic decisions of the firm have lasting effects on their future competitiveness, and at the same time, industry structure and rivalry is also equally important. The greater the rivalry, the greater will be the competitive strength of the industry. And domestic rivalry is instrumental to international competitiveness because it forces companies to develop unique and sustainable strengths and capabilities. For example, we can say the Japanese automobile industry with intense rivalry between the players such as Toyota, Suzuki, etc. So, because of their own domestic competition, they have become able to become more easily compete in foreign markets.
Determinants of national competitiveness are in turn influenced by 2 independent forces, government and chance. The macroeconomic approach implies that the state cannot create competitive industries, only the companies themselves can do this. The government creates only more or less favorable conditions, plays the role of a catalyst and initiator. Chance is a practically uncontrollable factor which at the same time can play a significant role in changing the competitive positions of countries. Random events include natural disasters, wars, fires, changes in global financial markets or exchange rates. Events of this kind introduce uncertainty which can in turn lead to a change in the structure of the industry.
Now, we know all of these factors and we hope this discussion will be useful for you. Thank you.
Goodbye.